Alright, so we got an Audi Q3 2021. We're gonna put the brakes into maintenance mode. Now I haven't found a cheat code, so we gotta use our scanner here. So I'm using a Maxi IM608. We're gonna go over into service. We're gonna go to EPB, electronic parking brake. We're gonna do an auto detect. Gotta go and bring up the system here. So we got brakes, parking brake, battery electric vehicle. So we're gonna go into brakes, replace brake pads. That's an operating guide. So we're gonna go into EPB function. Forcing the function to exit during the execution may cause failure to enable parking brake system. Now it's also good to keep a battery tender on. I'm going to hook up a battery tender there soon once we get it into operating mode or the maintenance mode. Press OK. Vehicle voltage not less than 12. Turn the ignition and turn the engine off. Release the electronic parking brake. That's all off. Turn off the vehicle electronic parking brake switch. Okay, this is the program that following the steps to run through. Start brake pad change. Okay. So we're gonna put it into brake maintenance mode. Start brake pad change. Open brakes completely. So we're gonna press number 1. Some scan tools might be different, but this one, next brakes are completely open. So when we press OK, it's gonna activate the rear brakes. If you can listen to this. Okay, the brakes are fully open. When you quit the test, or if the diagnostic link is cut, the brakes cannot be closed. With the parking brake control element, the warning lamp on the dash, and the warning lamp and the parking brake control element flashes. When the brake pad changing is complete, the brake pad must be closed again with the end brake pad change test step. Which the test step do you want to run next? Okay, now we can just put our scan tool to sleep. We'll put a battery tender on. We'll keep the battery up to snuff and we can shut our key off. Okay, get this plugged in. So right now the vehicle is in brake maintenance mode. We got our battery charger on. As you can see, traction control and ABS is flashing to indicate that we're in brake maintenance mode, so we can replace the pads. So now we can go ahead and shut off the ignition. Go ahead and lift her up and change the brakes. So a good way to stop these rims from falling on the ground or hitting the backing plate is hold it in the center, take out your bolt, and then take it off. All right, there, now we can do some brakes. Thanks, buddy. All right, so we're done doing our brake service. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna take this out of brake maintenance mode. So we're gonna end brake pad change. So we're gonna close the brakes. We're gonna hit number 2. We got our key back on, and we completed our brake service. So we're back into our tool into the service mode. There was 1, 2, and 3. My battery died, so then we're clicking on number 2. It said end brake replacement and close the brakes. So right now we're in the following. The brakes are closed. So we're gonna press OK. The brakes are applying. Now it says fit wheels, check brake fluid level, and top up as necessary. So right now we're done with our brake pad change. Pad change mode was ended successfully. Perfect. Alright, if you liked this video and it helped you out, make sure you hit that like button, hit subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.